Are you ready to skyrocket your e-commerce growth in 2024? It's time to harness the power of Facebook ads like never before. In this fast-paced digital era, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. That's why we're unveiling the latest Facebook ads scaling strategies to supercharge your online business. Catch attention with eye-catching visuals and compelling copy. Engage your audience with video content that tells your brand story. Facebook's AI algorithms now allow for hyper-targeting based on user behavior, interests, and even offline activity. Reach the right people at the right time with precision. Remind potential customers of products they've shown interest in, and nudge them towards conversion. With Facebook's automated bidding and ad delivery, you can optimize campaigns in real time for maximum ROI. So, are you ready to take your e-commerce growth to new heights? Implement these cutting-edge Facebook ads scaling strategies in 2024 and watch your business flourish.